Today we are going to be looking at the artist Vincent Van Gogh. He is known for applying thick layers of paint. This method of painting is called impasto. It's where the paint is applied so thickly on the canvas that the texture of the brushstrokes or palette knife are clearly visible. When Vincent was young, he wanted to become a pastor and work as a missionary spreading the gospel. Van Gogh did not begin painting until he was almost 27 years old. Vincent was often depressed. He suffered from anxiety and fits of mental illness. He was hospitalized for his depression. Vincent had moments of depression that were so bad that at one point he cut off part of his ear. Can you believe Vincent only sold one painting when he was alive? The painting was The Red Vineyard. Vincent was obsessed with painting. At one point he became so obsessed with painting he would paint non-stop. He would even forget to eat. He painted over 900 paintings in 10 years. That's almost 2 paintings on average a week. Vincent van Gogh is one of the world's best-known artists. This painting of his doctor was one of the most expensive paintings ever sold. It sold within 3 minutes for $82.5 million in 1990. Today, that's a value of $161.4 million. Today, Vincent's known for some very famous paintings. Starry Night is one of them. And then, of course, we have his famous sunflowers. The first thing that you'll require is a mixing palette. You can use a clean meat tray, wax paper, or a paper plate. Paint the bottom 1/3 of your palette using the brown paint. Now paint the top 2/3 with the teal green. Let dry completely. If you're in a rush to get it dry, use a hair dryer, but make sure you continually sway it back and forth. Don't touch the canvas and put it on a warm setting. Add white to the green to make it a little bit lighter. Now we need to add texture to the painting, so you can do this by using a plastic knife or a palette knife. Now to even the green out a bit, use a dry brush. Now we need to make 3 different shades using brown and yellow. One of them we are going to add white. Let dry completely. Go ahead and add texture to the bottom using all 3 colors. For the vase, you're going to use half a yellow Play-Doh and half of the green Play-Doh. Roll it into a ball, flatten it out. For the center of the flowers, you'll need half of yellow and half of orange to make it a little bit lighter. Roll it out and flatten it out. For the rest of the artwork, you're going to be rolling little small balls and then rolling them out to make the petals and the leaves. Thank you for visiting my channel, and be sure to check out how to do toothpick sculptures.